Just yesterday, we took you on a journey through all the rumors and hearsay pertaining to what we expect to be Sony's next top-shelf device, the intriguing Xperia XZ Pro, which could potentially be the very first device with a 4K OLED display on deck. Well, an upcoming Xperia device just received its FCC certification, and no, it doesn't look like it's the anticipated Xperia XZ Pro. However, it could spell good news for those Android enthusiasts on the lookout for a new and compact device. See, the newly certified device has a screen size of nearly 5, which is tiny by today's standards, but more importantly, it merely measures up at 5.31 by 2.53, 135mm by 64.33mm, which is an incredibly compact footprint for a 5 Sony device and is a dead giveaway that Sony could be prepping to minimize those bezels as much as possible and employ a 18:9 display up front. To put things into perspective, an older Sony Xperia phone with a 5 display, the bezel-rich XA1 from February 2017, clocks in at 5.71 x 2.64, 145 x 67mm, a pretty big difference. As is tradition, the FCC certification reveals virtually nothing else about the device, but we have a feeling we will learn more about that one in less than a month's time at MWC 2018. Recently, a photo of a device pitched to be an upcoming Xperia Compact made the rounds, giving us a possible sneak peek at what Sony's cooking in secret. Yet there are still some bezels at the top and bottom, but they appear to be way slimmer than prior Sony models. Possible rumored specs of this upcoming munchkin include the super high-end Snapdragon 845, a 3,000 mAh battery, 4GB of RAM, and 64 gigs of storage, but take these with a big grain of salt.